Hey guys, this is Edward from Edward Labs. As we all know, 59 Chinese apps banned from App Store and Play Store by Indian government, which includes some really popular apps. The government statement said that the apps are engaged in activities which is prejudicial to sovereignty and integrity of India, defense of India, security of state and public order. The government accused the apps of stealing and surreptitiously transmitting users' data in an unauthorized manner to servers which have locations outside India. Now according to the TikTok statement, this is an interim order, and the banned apps will be given chance to respond to the government's concerns before a committee. Many of the banned apps actually were reported as vulnerable or harm to the system. Some of the apps were even got banned earlier too. But still we use these apps, and we seriously need some alternative for these apps now. So let's get started. The S-File Explorer is a famous app that we used as our file manager. Today almost all phones comes with file manager apps installed. Well, the best alternative apps are File Commander, Google Files and Solid Explorer. Files by Google is one of the best alternative that we prefer in place of the S-File Explorer. It comes with many of the handy features like junk cleaner, inbuilt protection, smart recommendations, backup to cloud or SD card, and also it has different categories to sort the files, effective storage management, and yes, it comes with encrypted file sharing feature inbuilt in it, with WPA2 encryption protocol. Along with CM Browser and APUS Browser, UC Browser is a famous browser that got banned. And the best possible alternatives are Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome and Opera Browser. Firefox is a recommended browser for its privacy-focused approach. Google Chrome is undoubtedly best browser, but when it comes to privacy, Firefox does the job better. It brings a neat and bloat-free user interface unlike UC Browser, and also it's more focused in privacy and security. It blocks a lot of trackers automatically, and you have options to select it. And it also has visual tabs, secured private browsing experience and many more. CamScanner is an app that a lot of people use. This app is almost used everywhere to scan the documents. So now it's time to explore some new alternative for this app. We prefer Google Drive, Office Lens and Adobe Scan. Adobe Scan is feature-packed like CamScanner, which is user-friendly, and also it detects that document is scanning, be the ID card or whiteboard or receipt or usual document. It also has OCR support, different editing tools, and mainly no watermark on scanned images. Do Screen Recorder is an app that a lot of people use to record the screen. It was simple and effective screen recorder. There are a lot of alternatives for this app. Some of them are AZ Screen Recorder, X Recorder and Screen Recorder no ads. Today many of the phones comes with inbuilt screen recorder option, with controls to set screen resolution and audio recording feature in it. Still, if you need any third-party screen recorder app, Screen Recorder no ads is the best option. It has options to set screen resolution, notification toggle options to control activity, color grading and many more, and yes, all these options without any ads. SHAREit and Xender are another popular apps on the banned list. They were used by almost everyone to share files. Alternative for these apps are Google Files, Snapdrop and Send Anywhere file sharing app. Snapdrop isn't an app, it's a web-based service, so it works on basically any platform like Android to Mac or iPhone to Windows PC. Whenever we need to share a file from one system to another, just open a snapdrop.net on both the devices on any of the browsers. The other device shows up, just tap on the device and send any file you want. It's that simple. Google Files is another alternative that can be used to share files. TikTok is not the only video sharing platform that has been banned. There is also Likee and Kwai. But there are really some good alternatives that you can use like Triller, Raposo and Chingari. Triller is an app from California-based company, and it's actually a very popular app. This app has almost all features like TikTok for adding video filters, to create music videos, also numerous tracks to choose from, to collaborate with other users and many more. Many of the celebrities are also using this app. But more likely it doesn't ask for unnecessary permissions. That's cool. Alt-Hide is a photo and video hider app that has been reported earlier for its privacy issues, and now it's banned. There are many alternatives to hide photos and videos. Some of them are KeepSafe, LockMePix and Vultee. KeepSafe is one of the best app that uses Cipher AES 250 encryption, which is the same protocol used in many banking apps, and this app helps in protecting and hiding your private photos, documents or videos. It has many features like face down, fake PIN, encrypted backups, breaking alerts, trash recovery and many more cool features. This is really a good alternative for Vault Hide. Viva Video app is a very famous video editing app in India that many people use, but it's banned now. But there are some really great video editing apps like Adobe Premiere Rush, InShot and KineMaster. KineMaster is already pretty famous app along with Viva Video, which comes with feature pack experience like multi-device timeline, different text styles, all the video editing tools, transition effects, multiple audio and video collaboration feature and many more. So you should be convinced to use this app as alternative for Viva Video editing app. And yes, everything is free, so feel free to experience them all. So there are again a lot of alternative apps for these Chinese apps. If you think of any other app that is best alternative apart from this list, feel free to comment them below and also give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed the video. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Well, that's me signing off. I will see you in the next video.